Guys, this is the one-day epoxy flake system from Stone Coat. Learn all the tips and tricks right now. It's gonna earn you tons of money. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. I've got the 10-inch concrete grinder rented. I got the small grinder rented. That's about $264 for the entire day. You did a good job cleaning out the garage. That's step one. The second step, we're gonna prep an area so we don't bring any of the epoxy onto a finish that we don't want epoxy on. You did a good job with the Gorilla Tape. That's the best choice whenever trying to tape anything to a very rough surface. We gotta clean out his expansion joints. He wants those gone. It's gonna be a seamless, one solid slab of epoxy flake floor. We're gonna take our crack chase blade, go right through all those expansion joints really fast. It doesn't take any time at all. And then we'll vacuum the cracks. The next step, we're filling those cracks, and you have two options. First time user, you're gonna use our floor patch epoxy gel. That's like a Bondo type material. 2 parts, 1-to-1, put 2 blobs, mix till you have a cohesive color, then use your trowels to get it in your cracks. For the pros that wanna get in and get out, but you gotta act pretty fast, we got our Floor Patch Pro. It's almost like pouring water into those cracks, but you can thicken it for the really big cracks that may run all the way through that slab. You got about 3.5 minutes to work with it, so you gotta be quick, but it's really easy to apply. We're gonna add the thickener into part B, fully mix it in. Then we'll go ahead and add our part A, mix for about 30 to 40 seconds and pour it right in the crack. We'll follow that with a 10 to 6-inch trowel and pull it nice and tight. The product will expand a hair, so don't be concerned if you have a little bit of valley initially. It expands as it cures. After the cracks are filled and it's dry, 20, 30 minutes later, get your grinder, hook it up to the vac, hit the whole field, and it doesn't have to be, completely ground to a beautiful smooth surface. We're opening up the cream, we're taking off the top layer that exposes the pores of the concrete, so that moisture seal epoxy primer goes right in and penetrates. That's our tree roots. That's our foundation that holds the flakes in. So after grinding the whole field, we're gonna take that crack chasing blade off and put a little diamond cup wheel. You could pick that up at the Home Depot from 50 to 65 bucks because you wanna grind all the way to the perimeter. And then we're gonna clean all the dust out, vacuum thoroughly. Then it's time to apply our moisture seal epoxy primer and then add the flakes. And then that step is done, man. We're gonna let that cure for about 4 hours because we're going the pro mode, scrape the loose flakes off, vacuum, and then it's time for the polyaspartic top coat. You have a similar working time to Pro, a little less, but it's gonna cure faster. The DIY, you have almost double the working time. So if you're new at this, I recommend it, but you're gonna wanna stay off of that floor for about 14 to 18 hours. With the Pro polyaspartic top coat, you're gonna wanna stay off that floor about 6 to 8 hours. If you're applying this at the end of the day, right? You've done all the work, you've got the flakes, you're back after lunch to scrape it. No real need to do the Pro, guys, unless you got a couple jobs in that same day, because we're gonna apply that later in the day. The customer's not gonna be in there anyways. Go the DIY, don't rush. It's not a big deal. It's the same durability. The only difference is the work time and cure time. All right, guys, the possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching from Stone Coat Countertops. Don't forget, you got this, and we'll see you on the next video.